Welcome guys, today I am with the Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus and I want to show you how camera Pro mode looks and how it works. So to open the Pro mode you have to click right here at the first, tap on this information icon to get description of each feature. As you can see, we got here, for example, the exposure verification, the photo format, white balance, focus, and for example ISO sensitivity. So at the first, I'm gonna focus on this bar. There we get the white balance. That's 4 presets, automatic preset, and also we can make it manually by using this slider. Another one will be focus. Another will be the shutter speed. We can set the shutter for 30 seconds. That's a lot actually. Here we get the ISO. The only parameter that we cannot make automatically is the exposure compensation. We can go for the plus 4 and minus 4. Sorry, there was some kind of a brain fog. And there we got the macro lens, ultra wide lens, and the normal wide lens. We can also switch between them. Right here we can enable this 108 megapixel mode. That's called the high definition mode. Here we can also find the filters. And when you tap right here, we can also get the exposure verification. So let's go for example, for the shutter speed. As you can see, when we adjust it like that, exposure verification is on the screen. It's all about those red lines. So these red lines on the screen shows us the part of the photo will be just overexposed. And when you go below like that and also try to adjust the exposure compensation, the blue lines shows us all of these places where exposure will be too low. We can reset by tapping right here, and of course we can also enable here the focus. We can show the grid lines. We can enable photo format. As you can see, this red color shows us what is in the focus, and then when you try to adjust, when you set like that, everything will be out of the focus, so you will only get the red lines on objects in front of you. So in this case, you can spot this red lines on my fingers. They are right here, the only objects in the focus right now. So that's all for the Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.